Hey, my friend, there has to be a better way. I want to talk to you about why reselling digital products feels hard, especially when you work full time. So, have you ever gotten excited about a product or an idea? You've seen someone and you're excited, but then it moves to disappointed because it changed, it disappeared, or it shut down. Has that ever happened to you? It has me. It's just ugh. And suddenly, all that energy and effort just feels lost. You just feel like that was a total energy loss. Okay. So, if you work full time, this hits even harder because your time is limited when you get off work. That's your discretionary time, but there's so many different things that go into what you need to do. When you get off work, it might be 6 or 7. You have a few hours until 10 or 11, whatever time you go to bed. I go to bed at 11, but you only have a short window of opportunity to really focus on something Monday through Friday. And then you don't want your full weekend inundated with this, even though you know you want to earn extra income. So, this is the reality of a person who works full time and wants to also sell digital products, earn extra income. Yes? So when you're disappointed, when things didn't work out with your online business, your body remembers that. It stores it up. So when it doesn't work out, your body starts to protect you and you start feeling heavy, stressful, or even like launching feels so hard. It feels so impossible. That's how you start feeling, you know? And it's not that you're incapable, you're capable, you're smart, you have gift, talent, skills, and abilities. Does this make sense? Does this make sense to you? So, what's really happening with you when you're hesitant to start, when you start thinking this is not going to work for me, or what happens? That's your nervous system protecting you. And it's saying, listen, we don't want to risk more than we can handle. So, that's a good thing that you have your nervous system wired up that way. However, we still are left with, we got to generate some income online while we're working full time. Does this make sense? Okay. So now we're moving to relief for you. I got some good news for you. You don't need a big launch like you see other people doing. That's not for you. You don't need to chase people. That's not for you. You don't need a lot of views, a lot of subscribers. You don't need any of that. This is something that you can do while working your full time job. You can earn online while working full time. And the key is ownership. You can own a digital product, you can customize it, you can resell it without pressure, without chasing or overexerting yourself. And why? Because you own this product. And this is what is so phenomenal for you that's different at your work. Unless if you're not a full-time like business owner, entrepreneur, you don't own your work. You don't have ownership in your full time work. You don't own the computer, the copier, the pencils, the paper clips. So you're building someone else's company. You have been for years, no problem. I do the same. But here is where you are attracted to earning income online with digital products because of ownership. You own it. So that's why I customize my very own do it yourself digital product resale guide. I purchased what's called a master resale rights guide, and it's actually a digital income system. That's what I really should call it. But I purchased it, I customized it, I added um, two major valuable resources to it, and it's mine. And now I can resell it, right, to you or whoever is interested. And then you can go on and customize it and resell it. But I did this because of all the things that I'm mentioning to you happened to me. All the things I mentioned to you and how you feel is how I felt. So, who is this for? It's full time worker friendly. because you can do this on your terms. So it's simple, low stress system designed for people who work full time, like myself, and you want to earn online on your terms. Okay? You get full resale rights, so you can make it your own, you can share it naturally, and you can grow at your own pace. That's huge. Grow at your own pace. How you show up? Well, how do I show up? What I do is I post on mainly Instagram and YouTube. And as I'm doing that, I show others how they can start earning quietly and confidently, just like I'm doing. I'm not doing anything spectacular. And I'm pretty sure that you can do this as well. Okay. So if you want to see how this works, you can grab this guide. The link is in my bio or profile. And like I said, it's beginner friendly, it's customizable, and it's built for real life and not for hustle culture. I'm sure we're vibing on the same wavelength. I cannot do anything with hustle culture right now. I don't have the capacity for it, right? But this is built for real life. And what I mean by that is there's not like, I'm over exaggerating, but there's not like 10,000 videos that you have to watch. You could be different. We're all different. But when I purchased this, it was about 7 p.m. And I didn't want to wait to the weekend because I had some workshops that I needed to go to on the weekend. So I sacrificed some of my sleep time. So I put this product together from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the morning. So I was able to do this far under 24 hours. And when I finished at 2 a.m., I had a product up and ready to resell. Yeah, I had my Instagram channel. I created that. I already had a YouTube channel and I was fired up and ready to go. Okay. So if this resonates with you, my friend, check it out. It may be for you, it may not. Yes, yes. So, anyway, thank you for your time and many blessings.